Hi guys! At dahil wala akong trabaho ngayon, samahan niyo ko para mag-review ng review work for secondary education major in mathematics. Actually, nasulat ko na to kahapon. Ang ating let coverage ay professional education, general education, and for secondary, area of specialization. Under ng professional education, meron po tayong teaching profession, check. Social dimensions of education, principle of teaching, educational technology, curriculum development, facilitating learning, child-adolescent development, assessment of student learning, developmental reading, field study, and practice teaching. Bali, yung professional education pala ay 40% sa exam. General education, 20% sa exam. Area ng specialization, which is mathematics yung sa akin, 40%. So, general education naman, under nyan ay English, Filipino, mathematics, science, and social science. Sa English, study and thinking skills, writing in the discipline, speech and oral communication, Philippine literature, masterworks of the world. Tapos sa Pilipino naman, komunikasyon sa akademikong Pilipino, pagbasa at pagsulat tungo sa pananaliksik at masining na pagpapahayag. Sa mathematics naman, fundamentals of math, plane geometry, elementary algebra, statistics and probabilities. Sa science, biological science, general biology, physical science, earth science. Sa social science naman is Philippine government new constitution with human rights, Philippine history, basic economics, taxation, agrarian reform, society, culture with family planning, Rizal and other heroes, philosophy of man, arts, general psychology, information and communication technology. Sa area of specialization ko naman, kung ano yung area nyo, pinili ko kasi itong akin kasi ako ay math. Under ng math is arithmetic and number theory and business math, basic and advanced algebra, plane and solid geometry, trigonometry, probability and statistics, analytical geometry, calculus, modern geometry, linear and abstract algebra, history of mathematics, problem solving, mathematical investigation, instrumentation and assessment. Yun lang po sa math. Bali, yan po yung coverage ng let exam. Depende sa area of specialization nyo. Kaya sa akin ay math, kaya math yung nilagay ko dito. Tapos, every day, try ko po na mag-solve ng at least 50 problems. Bali kahapon, naumpisahan ko na yan. nag-solve ako nitong 1 to 50 ng general education. Ang nakuha ko ay 22/50. Kaya tatry ko siyang sagutan ulit ngayon kung natandaan ko yung kahapon. Tapos titingnan natin kung tataas yung correct answer ko. So, umpisahan na natin. Number 1, Rene Boy believes that everything that happened in this world has a cause or a reason. What scientific attitude is seen in his actions? A. Curiosity. B. Firm set of beliefs. C. Honesty. D. Critical mindedness. Ang sagot ko dito kahapon ay letter B. Parang tama naman po yung sagot ko kahapon. Mamaya makikita natin. Number 2. Blank, it never recycled any waste materials. The company's environmental record was not perfect. Ang sagot ko dito kahapon ay due to. Mali. Ay natandaan ko. Ang tamang sagot daw ay in that, letter B. Number 3. Our guest of honor was a loquacious speaker. Loquacious means, ang sagot ko dito kahapon ay reserve yata. Mali. Ang tama daw dyan ay verbose. Number 4. The sociological concept of home for most Filipino is the presence of A. Families with borders in addition to the family members. B. Nuclear family and extended families. C. Families with illegal light and water connection. D. Families with pet dogs and cats. Ang sagot ko dito kahapon ay families with... Ay mali, ito pala B. Nuclear family and extended pa. Parang tama naman yung sagot ko kahapon. Ibig sabihin, may natandaan ako. Number 5, a man is known by the company he keeps. This is an example of a sagot ko dito ay proverb. Tama yan. Which of the following is the ultimate purpose of human rights education? Ang sagot ko dito kahapon ay to identify threats of human right. Yan, tama yan. Alam ko tama yan kahapon. Number 7. The members of the Federation of Cooperatives are... mali sagot ko dito. Ang sinagot ko dito ay parang natural person ba? Mali. Ang tamang sagot dyan ay primary and secondary cooperatives. Yan, dito natin malalaman kung natandaan ko yung mga pinag-aralan ko kahapon. Number 8. Be sure to fill blank the forms correctly. Be sure to fill in the forms correctly. Tama ko dyan kahapon. Number 9. Sabayan niyo po ako para sabay-sabay tayong mag-e-exam. Vascular tissue that transport water in leaves connects directly to which of the following? Root tip, pistil, epidermis, xylem in the stem. Xylem in the stem, sagot ko dyan. Tama yan. Perfect ko kaya to. Number 10, which statement is true? 5 is rational number. 0 is positive number. 3 is real number. 4 is an irrational number. Ang sagot ko dito ata ay B, mali. Ang tamang sagot dyan ay 3 is a real number. Paano kaya nangyari yun? Malalaman natin yan sa mga sunod nating pag-aaral. 11. If a die is rolled, what is the probability of getting a number divisible by 2? Ang sagot ko dito ay 1/3. Pero mali. Di ko pa rin nalaman kung bakit. Pero ang tamang sagot daw ay B. 1/2. Number 12. Why do mothers usually soak meat in fine apple juice before cooking it? Ang sagot ko dito ay it makes meat tender. Ang alam ko tama to. What is considered the earliest form of writing in the Philippines? Ang sagot ko dito ay alibata. Tama din yan. 14. Most asteroids are found between the two planets. Hinulaan ko na to kasi hindi ko naman alam. Mars and Jupiter yung sagot ko, letter C. Tama naman. Tumama siya. A wood frame for pouring concrete has an interior perimeter of 14. Its length 1 meter greater than its width. The frame is to be braced with. Actually, hindi ko pa to nalaman kung paano to i-compute. Hinulaan ko lang to. At dahil hindi ko alam kung paano, nakalimutan ko rin kung ano yung tamang sagot. Kaya hulaan ko ulit siya. Six ata. Di ko sure kasi nga di ko to na-compute. Papahuli ko kasi yung mga kinukompute kung paano nangyari. 16. New students at the shop should bring hammer, wrenches, and screwdrivers. Ang pinili ko dito ay hammer, wrenches, and screwdrivers, letter C. Pero mali. Letter B yung sagot niya. Pero bakit? Yan, malalaman natin yan sa mga susunod na araw kung bakit yan ang tamang sagot. 17. The army's retreat was ignominiously. This means, sagot ko dito is honorable, which is mali. Ang ignominiously pala ay shameful. Number 18. Ibigay ang tayutay na nagamit sa sumusunod. Ikaw ang payong ng aking buhay, silungan ng init, hatid ay proteksyon sa panahong masungit. It was a metaphor. Tama yung sagot ko dyan. Percy metaphor. Which of the following best demonstrate the greenhouse principle? A car with rolled up windows. Ang sagot ko dyan. Tama yan. 20. The bank was warm with depositors. The bank blank. Ang sagot ko dyan eh, the bank declare an open house. Mali. Ang tamang sagot dyan ay declared a holiday. Number 21. The Rizal Day celebration remind us about heroes' worth. Ang sinagot ko dyan ay appreciating. Emulating ata ang tamang sagot. Mamaya malalaman natin. 22. Which among the following represent the smallest unit of life? Ang sagot ko dyan ay atom. Mali daw. Cell pala yun. 21. Ay, 23 na pala. Sorry. What is the equation of the line whose slope is -2 and whose y-intercept is 13? 3 pala. Letter D sagot dyan. Pero hindi ko pa siya na-compute. Babalikan natin yan. Lalagyan natin asterisk yung kailangan balikan. Kasi hindi ko pa rin nag-gets masyado. Nung kanina, itong number 16, tsaka yung isang computation number 15. Babalikan natin sa ibang araw. 24. Nag-aral ako blank mabuti upang makakuha ako ng scholarship ng namahaba. Tama ka dyan. 25. Two air masses have the same humidity. Which of the following can also be said about them? None of the above. Ang sinagot ko dyan is temperature. Mali. "26. I help you, sir." May. Tama ka sa sagot dyan. May. 27. What measure of central tendency can best describe the size of t-shirt commonly used by a teenager? Mali sagot ko, mean. Mood pala yun. 28. Tell her professor next time. Shell. Tama ang sagot ko. 29. Wise people can cope up with frustration. Mali sagot ko, can cope lang. Letter C. Number 30. Which enables the computer to communicate with other computers over the telephone. Ang sagot ko dito is hypermedia. Mali. Modem daw yun. Which of the following is expressed clearly? Effective states the area and has no structural error. Ang sagot ko dito ay, I learned that the sun is 19 million miles from the earth. Letter C. Was pala yung sagot ko, letter B. Mali daw. Letter C daw yung is. 32. Basically, the Philippine agrarian reform is a question of land distribution. I really object blank in rooms where other people have to eat. Ang sagot ko dito ay people is smoking. Yung pala ang tama sagot. To people is smoke. To people is smoking yata. Di ko sure. Or to people is smoke. Malaman natin naman. What is the exact date of Rizal's birth? June 19, 1861. Tama ko dyan.